Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm really glad to see you. Welcome to Live Ed, where education comes alive. Our topic today is how to use the future simple tense. There are several structures that we can use to speak about the future in English, and one of these structures is the future simple tense. First, let's look at the form. To make a positive sentence, we use will. I will open the window. I will, I'll. It's a short form. I'll open the window. We will open the window. We will. We'll open the window. You'll open the window. They'll open the window. He will open the window. He will. He'll open the window. She'll open the window. It'll open the window. If we want to make a negative sentence, we use will not. Will not, won't. It's a short form. I will not open the window. I won't open the window. You won't open the window. We won't open the window. They won't open the window. He will not open the window. He won't open the window. She won't open the window. It won't open the window. To make a question, we use will and change the word order. Will you open the window? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Will they open the window? Yes, they will. No, they won't. Will he open the window? Yes, he will. No, he won't. Will she open the window? Yes, she will. No, she won't. Will it open the window? Yes, it will. No, it won't. Or we can use a question word to make a question. When will you open the window? In a minute. In what situations do we use the future simple? Situation number 1. When we speak about our decisions about the future and we make these decisions right now, at the moment of speaking. Imagine a situation. It's a nice Sunday afternoon. I'm very relaxed and I'm having a delicious cup of coffee in my favorite cafe. And suddenly I see my friends who are going somewhere. And I say, hey guys, where are you going? And they say, we're going to the cinema. Join us. And I say, okay, I'll go with you. I'll go with you. This sentence is in the future simple tense. I'll go with you is my decision about the future. A minute ago, it was not my plan. I did not plan that. Then I saw my friends and I decided to go to the cinema with them. And when I speak about this decision, at the moment of speaking, right now, I use the future simple. I'll go with you. So, do we use the future simple to speak about our decisions about the future if we make these decisions right now, at the moment of speaking? Yes, we do. Do we use the future simple to speak about some plans that we had before the moment of speaking? Plans that we already had? No, we don't. In this situation, we use be going to or the present continuous tense, but we don't use the future simple tense. Situation number 2. We use the future simple tense to give our opinion about the future. And usually, we don't have any big reason for this opinion. We just think so. And very often we use words like I think or I don't think. or probably, or I expect. For example, I think it'll rain tomorrow, or I don't think it'll rain tomorrow. I expect it'll rain tomorrow. I expect it won't rain tomorrow. Probably it'll rain tomorrow. Probably it won't rain tomorrow. Situation number 3. We use the future simple tense to make a promise. I won't tell anyone about your secret. I won't tell anyone. It's a promise about the future. Or situation number 4. We use the future simple tense to offer something to other people. For example, oh, your bag looks very heavy. I'll help you with it. I'll help you with it is how I offer help to someone. Or if you don't have money, I'll give you some. I'll give you some money. That's how I offer some money to another person. Situation number 5. We use the future simple when we agree to do something. For example, can you phone Jack, please? Yeah, I'll phone him after lunch. I'll phone him after lunch is how I agree to phone Jack. And finally, situation number 6. We use the future simple tense to make a polite request. Will you please open the window? It means, please open the window. But it sounds very polite and very natural. When people want to ask someone to do something for them and they want to be polite and to sound natural, they usually use the future simple tense. Will you please? Will you please help me? Will you please open the window? Will you please close the door? So, once again, we use the future simple to speak about our decisions about the future if we make these decisions right now at the moment of speaking, and if we didn't have these plans before, when we give our opinion about the future and we don't have any evidence, any big reason for this opinion, when we offer something to other people, when we make a promise, when we agree to do something, and when we ask people to do something in a polite way. We have 2 other great videos that will teach you how to speak about the future. They are how to use the present simple tense to speak about the future, and how to speak about your plans and make predictions. Watch these videos and you will speak about the future without any trouble. And to learn more, join our live lessons. The link to our website is under this video. Good luck and have fun!